E-mini Nasdaq was on fire in 2025. However, the situation can change rapidly in 2026 and we can see a profound correction. Now the question is, are you ready? Do you have Nasdaq short strategies? Because if not, we're going to build one viable breakout strategy for the short side together in this episode. So let's begin. Hi, my name is Thomas, also known as the Mr. Breakouts. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Welcome back, breakout trading traders, breakout trading specialists, breakout trading funds. Breakout trading is one of the best trading approaches you can do. And in today's episode, we will go through Nasdaq and we will try to create short strategy together. Because have a look, we've been in correction. Now I am pre-recording this video in November. I usually pre-record these videos in batches and then release them because I travel a lot. So I need to have always them pre-recorded and then release them on the go. But anyway, I think that the Nasdaq is set for a correction. We had a steady growth for too long. And if you want to profit on in the correction, you also need to have strategies on the short side. So what we do today, we try to build a short side strategy on the Nasdaq real time. Now, breakout trading is not complicated. You can definitely do it. We can definitely do it together. So let's get to it. So we start very simply. We will start in the BreakoutOS, and I already loaded in Nasdaq data. And now what we need to do, where we need to start, we need to find out where is the potential on the short side. That's the most important part to find out where is the short tendency, right? Like if we narrow down where is the short tendency, the rest is already quite simple. So we go to the market mapping module, and first of all, what we do, this is the process how I usually do it. So basically we have regular trading hours, which is between 8:30 and 3:30 p.m. Chicago market time. Then we have pre-market, which is anything before 8:30, and aftermarket, which is after 3:30. So usually what I want to do for each pre-market, main market, aftermarket, I want to see if there's some specific day which would have a strong tendency on the short side. So let me get to the short side, and also to specify we are building day trading strategy here, okay? Day trading strategy. So, and then let's have a look day by day. So on Monday, there's no any strategy or any tendency on short. Tuesday, little bit, but a little bit all over the place. And just recently on Tuesday, Wednesday, no, all over the place. Thursday, that's a little bit promising, especially lately. I would say last 2-3 years. This is 15 years of data. So Thursday could be viable, and Friday is a little bit all over the place. Okay, so we have Thursday, nothing to write home about, but at least something. We don't need a full magic here yet. We just need a viable tendency, and then we will improve it with the breakout formula. Now, let's do the pre-market. So we focus on the pre-market, which would be somewhere around here. And this doesn't need to be precise. It's just 30 minutes here or there. Doesn't make much of a difference. Again, let's see pre-market. Monday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, nothing. All very strong, long days. Thursday, no. Pre-market is also quite long. And Friday, nothing. So no luck in the pre-market. We cannot really find anything in the pre-market. Let's now focus on the aftermarket. And aftermarket, let's go. Let's see. Monday, no. Tuesday, no. Wednesday, no. Thursday, again, a little bit of Thursday. And Friday, we do not have aftermarket. So overall, it looks like we have a little bit of something on Thursday, and on Thursday we have it main session and aftermarket. So how about we expand to both and we play a little bit, we narrow down the right time. This is what I like, guys. This is what I like, 12 to maybe midnight. Let's have a look. That probably looked like quite strong, and we keep till the 23. That's not bad. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. So I would probably do something like this. I think I also like the fact that it's midday for some reason. On Thursday, the market is reversing on midday. I don't know what's going on in Chicago on midday, that the market starts reversing, and we see this tendency very strongly for the last 3 years. So that's encouraging. That will probably keep going on for upcoming year or two. I like it. This is definitely viable direction. This is definitely viable tendency. So we can use this one. So 12 to midnight, that's our base. Okay, we now have the canvas. We now understand where to start. Now, by the way, if you love index trading, then I would like to tell you, if you like canvassing, this is a canvassing method. I call this method canvassing. And if you like overall index markets and working on short side, I prepared a completely free course on how to build strategies for indexes. Okay, so this is index trading free course, completely for free on the link below. I promise if you are into index trading, this will very much improve your trading results, or even helps you to build your first trading strategies, swing or day trading, index trading strategies in no time. So completely for free on the link below. And now let's get back to this. So now we have Thursday tendency. Now we need to go and build something. Okay, so I have nothing prepared here, guys. I'm going to do this really from scratch. So we will go to the breakout backtester. Now what we do, and by the way, we're going to use Mr. Breakout's formula. Okay, so this is the Mr. Breakout's formula. We will use some point of initiation, space, time we already did. We're already figured out this time part. So that's now we need point of initiation and space. Okay, again, everything is explained very well in this completely free course on the link below. So now let's do the setting. So we said we will do from midday, which I really like, and we will do a day trading strategy. That means end of day exit, and we will try to exit at the end of the day. Okay, so that would be the direction. And now what we need to do, we need to start with experimenting with different point of initiations. That's this point in the Mr. Breakout's formula. Okay, so we need to go to, now let's see, we start with end of day close. And if we use end of day close as the point of initiation, wow guys, not bad. Just this alone is not bad. If we use the regular end session, which is 4 p.m., that alone, it's quite good actually. And now we said we want to deploy it on Thursday. We do not have, oh sorry, I'm on the long side. No, too bad. We need to switch to short. Okay, so now sorry. Okay, still not too shabby, but the tendency is in Thursday, and we're not gaining much on Thursday. Maybe we should use 12 because we're starting at 12. What would happen here? And no, that's not usable. How about we use regular or something earlier in the day? But I don't think so. Not really. You know, this is like regular session. That's not bad. This one. Okay, so we're starting 8:30. So the session starts on Nasdaq 8:30. That would be quite viable. I like this one. So that's one option. Okay, we have point of initiation starting 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. We can play with this one later. Not bad. Now the other one I would also like to do is 2 days high or low of the day. That could be quite interesting. Let's see again. Too small of a sample size. I don't like it. Again, if we start today at the beginning of the day, what would happen? No, I think we're struggling with the and if we do 12 again, I think we're struggling with the sample size here. Not great, but how about we use yesterday's high or low of the day? In this case, we are going short, so we would use high of yesterday, okay? How about we use high of yesterday's as a point of initiation? Let's see what would happen. No, that's even worse. How about we use the, oh, sorry, I still have today. My bad. What I wanted to test was high O, and it's a reverse. It's a different condition. This one, high or low, last day, previous day. So the point of initiation for short trading would be high of the previous day, and that's not actually bad either. How about we start the day like the regular day in the midnight? Oh wow. It's not a big sample size, but I like it. That's very stable actually. How about we mark the day? So okay, so if we take yesterday and we mark the beginning of yesterday as the midnight, the way it should be, this is quite good. And I think the reason why we have very small sample size is because the multiplier is too high. Let's start with some smaller multiplier. No, that's not what I expected. So maybe let's now get back to the original idea, which would be the end of the day close, and we use 4 o'clock. And even this one with the end of day close midnight, which is fine as well, is giving better results. And if we do like 2 or 4 o'clock, let's see. No. Okay, that's interesting. So before we saw some promising results with 4 o'clock, but with higher multiplier. When we decrease the multiplier, the results are gone. But when we take the midnight, so end of the day, we take previous day close on the midnight, which is the way to do it properly. We have some very good results with smaller multipliers. I really like this. This alone, listen, this alone is already viable. You can already go and trade this. Have a look, last 3 years. I don't think we had any trades. Oh, that's 3 months, sorry. Last 3 years, going up like crazy. Not many trades, but that's because Nasdaq was not really trading much on the short side. Do not expect a big sample size overall, but this one looks good. I like it. I mean, guys, this alone could be already a viable concept, but let's also try to, let's also have a look on different settings of the space. And now what I would do here for the space, so 1.5 did good results. I would try to have a look 0 to 5, maybe to 3, not higher, step 0.5. Let's see what happens. And let's see where actually we can have the biggest improvement. It's all about now we're just, trying to play the best fraction of the formula. So we have the point of initiation, now we have the time, now we need to figure out the space. And this tool, it's a little bit slow because I'm recording, so usually with recording the CPU gets slower, but actually here we can actually see number 1, fraction 1 would be even better. Fraction 1 would improve, it delivers the best net profit drawdown ratio. Second best win percentage would be a little bit better with 1.5. And number of trades, I'm not so much preoccupied. So 1 would be even better. And the confidence, this is a very complex statistical measurement called BSCI, Breakout Singularity Confidence Index. This gives us the confidence in this space, number 1. And the confidence is good. It's not excellent, but it's good. That's enough to trade it. So again, let me go back here. So what we do now is we try again with the number 1. So let's go back to this one, and we stay with the point of initiation, the end of the day close, previous day in the midnight, and now we do space number 1, okay? And I mean, that's not bad. I have to say I probably like the 1.5 a little bit better. If we get back to 1.5, and I mean, there's no mistake in trying both. I like it as it is. You see, it's simple, it's nothing complicated. We can also visualize few trades here. What it looks like. I mean, it's not bad. It seems to be quite precise. Lately, we had some short performance. It just captures a few points at the end of the day. This looks viable to me. Like, it's really, the trades look really rock solid. I like the way it works here. Look at that, guys. This is beautiful. Like, we literally found small edge at the end of Thursday, which is super, super viable. I love it. I mean, this could be already viable strategy. Now, again, it's up to you to do, let's say, some further robustness testing, although with this small sample size, it's always complicated. You could add additional filters, but again, what I mean here is we already have a viable model, and it's quite a small sample size, which has to be expected with a short Nasdaq. We have average trade is 20 points, so that should be enough. That should be tradable when we multiply by big point value and we translate it into dollars. That should be enough, and we have almost 58% win percentage. This seems to be good to me, guys. I mean, you know, it's super difficult. Just think about it. Working on Nasdaq short trading is one of the hardest things in the world. This one is definitely viable, definitely doable. So again, we use the very simple Mr. Breakouts model, Mr. Breakouts formula. Again, if you want to learn it more, sorry, that's not this one. This one completely for free. Download it below. This is all about index trading, more examples, more strategies. You will learn how to do more of strategies like this, but I like it. I like it. This is solid. This got potential. This is tradable, and we don't potentially even need more filters. I mean, breakout trading doesn't need to be complicated, right? Remember, it can be rather simple. So if you like videos like this, give me a like. If you would like me to do more videos like this, also subscribe. With the increased amount of subscribers, I know there is a demand for videos like this, so I'm always happy to build more strategies real time with you like this. Now, if you want me to build strategy on a different market, just go below and type me, tell me, hey Thomas, please build strategy on this market, that time frame, and I'm happy to do it real time like this one. It's exciting. It just proves how simple breakout trading can be, and I hope and I believe that you're learning a lot. If you're learning a lot, again, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, so we will be back with much more. And I think that's the best I could do today. So happy trading, and see you in the next one. You need a breakout. Set your